How you doing, everyone? Welcome back. Gonna have a quick look at Clover. My apologies that it's taken a couple of days to get a video out. Now, unfortunate things have happened with Clover, and not ones that we would want to celebrate. We have made a new all-time low, and I've marked that as a level of support, and it's 35 flat, there or thereabouts. Depending on what platform you're checking the price, but 35 seems to be where this thing stopped and had a slight recovery from. Now, the previous all-time low was just above 42, 42 cents, 42.2, and as you can see, that is now working against us as a level of resistance, which is not a pretty thing to see. So from where we are, I'm on the 4-hourly chart. I'm going to move to the hourly just so I can get a better review of this. So 37 hours, day and a half we've been struggling to get back above our previous all-time low. So I don't need to tell you all twice, this is not a bullish token. We have not seen a protection bounce. I will not class making a new all-time low, which was 15% lower than the previous all-time low. I will not class that as a protection bounce. So where we are is we've put in a new all-time low, and it's fair to say if Bitcoin decides to nosedive, we're going to come back there and possibly lower. So as this thing completely fell off the table and made went beyond the previous, I mean, it didn't even try and hold the all-time low. It was quite comfortable to fall clean through that. So what we could possibly look for with another downturn with Bitcoin, that was a 25% reduction. So worst case scenario, from 35 we'd be looking at 26. I'll say 26 flat would be our next point if Bitcoin decides to have a downturn and go sub 30. But this is your danger zone. For now, we need to break above the previous all-time low at 42, and it looks like attempts have been made, and it also looks like we're currently there, but we're currently there. Is this going to hold? I'm just going to jump to the minute. I mean, we could be there a long time. I mean that with the greatest level of respect, but this isn't one that you're going to bullishly see jump over. I mean, as you can see, although we've made it to the 42 cent mark, we're currently sitting at the 41. So as long as we hang around this area, I'm not going to draw a prediction because it would be a very straight line going sideways, with very, very minimal dip higher or dip lower. But all I can categorically state is that if Bitcoin takes off, and over the last hour it has, it's wicked into the Ishimoku cloud, which is brilliant to see. I do expect Bitcoin to see some sideways action for the next day or two, and if that happens with Clover, we may break above 42 and hold there. However, if Bitcoin decides to have a downturn, which is more than likely will happen on Tuesday, we would be coming into this zone and be making another all-time low somewhere in the region of 35 cents and 26. So guys, if you're in this token, and bad news comes for the markets in general, and you see Bitcoin take a huge dump, then be prepared for monumental drops on Clover, and that would be a moment to pull out and possibly reinvest, because I do think we could come down as low as 26. Now, even if you're pulling out at a loss, that would be your decision to make, because this is not financial advice. But from where we are at 40 cents to come down another 15 would be circa a 30% drop. So that's it. I've given you the information. Please take it forward in a way that best suits your portfolios and your financial circumstances currently. Best of luck. Take care.